Hey there, welcome back. My name is Chand and I congratulate you all for finishing the basics of Java. Now friends, before moving forward, it would be rather very good if you test and improve your Java skills. Now in order to test and improve your Java skills, I have created a separate course where there are like numerous quizzes, there are multiple questions based on the entire basics of Java curriculum, right? So it would be rather very good, a highly recommended course to take right away. Check out the course, try to solve the quiz, and if you don't know the answer, if your answer is incorrect, why it is incorrect and why the correct answer is the correct answer is something which is explained in the course itself. So this course becomes a very interesting and a useful course for you. Now friends, what exactly all about this course? This course contains more than 9 quizzes, more than 99 questions, approximately 100 questions, and these questions are related to Java definitely, and explanation for individual question is given in the course. You will not only test your Java skills, rather there are multiple small little details which are also discussed in the course which will again help you to understand Java better. So you will test your Java skills and you will again improve your Java skills. The name of the course is Test and Improve Your Java Skills, and I will link the course with this video. Try to check the video, it is highly recommended, and definitely go forward and try to understand couple of more things related to Java using this course. Alright, so that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Take care.